Today guys, I have a new mini fan. Okay, this is, I don't know what color is it. Maybe pink. Okay, let us check the color. Okay, there's white, pink, green, purple. The check is white. Okay, white. Okay, let us open it. Oh, there's a charger too. You can see. Okay, let's open it. Okay, you guys will see it first. Because why I'm just 8 years old and even opening this kind of box is so hard for me. It's so hard. Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, cool. White. My favorite color. And I think there's some... Okay, maybe this is the charger. Yeah, the charger. Okay, the charger. There's something inside. Oh, this is for the, this. It's not seen because maybe it will be secret. I cannot do this. I want to charge it right now. Later. Okay, let's see. Let's charge. Oh, there's lights. And it's super powerful. It will be great for school tomorrow because in behind it's super hot and you want not to go in the Philippines in the hot weather to the back. So perhaps I cannot bear it.